Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Meta goes ahead and drops a bombshell of innovation at the Meta Connect event. In this video, we'll dive deep into the jaw-dropping products and innovations unveiled. Meta Connect event. When and where? Well, it was a two-day extravaganza on the 27th and 28th of September, taking place at the stunning Meta headquarters in Menlo Park, California. Let's jump into the stars of the show. Meta Quest 3, the future of VR. Meta Quest 3 ensures that this incredible experience won't break the bank. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Generation 2 CPU, delivering performance that's out of this world. With its depth sensor, Touch Plus controllers, and 2 cameras, it's a mixed reality device. Over $2 billion has been spent on games and apps in the Quest store. Titles like The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners, and Asgard's Wrath 2 are exclusive to Quest 3, delivering gaming experiences like never before. And that's not all, folks. Stranger Things as a VR game, Ghostbusters, Rise of the Ghost Lord, Assassin's Creed Nexus VR, Sega's Samba de Amigo, and LEGO Bricktales are just the tip of the iceberg. It also enhances your health and wellness too. It's designed for an immersive exercising experience, and you can even practice mindfulness with mindful apps. With a price of $499.99 for 128 gigabytes and $649.99 for 512 gigabytes, it's an investment in your well-being and entertainment. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, the talk of the town. Imagine capturing life's moments with an ultra-wide 12MP camera. Whether you're snapping photos or recording high-quality videos at 1080p 60 FPS, these smart glasses have you covered. But it's not just about visuals. It's about staying connected. With discreet open-ear headphones, you can listen to music and take crystal-clear phone calls while staying aware of your surroundings. And here's the kicker: you can use your voice to send messages and make calls. No more fumbling for your phone. Plus, the noise-canceling speakers keep your audio experience private, respecting your space and privacy. These smart glasses offer up to 4 hours on a single charge and up to 36 hours with the case. Smart charging ensures you're always ready to go. With these glasses, you can ask for information, get prompt audio answers, and even send pictures in chat with just your voice. Its price starts at just $299 for the standard model, $329 for the polarized model, and $379 for transitions models. Emu and Meta AI. Text-to-image magic. Meta also introduced Emu, a text-to-image creation model that's like having an artist at your fingertips. Just type in your desires, and within 5 seconds, watch your text transform into stunning visuals. It can engage in private conversations, provide suggestions, mediate group chats, and offer general information and education. AI Studio and characters. Everyone can code AI. AI Studio opens doors for third-party AI development, making AI accessible to all. Imagine creating your AI without needing to code. It's a game changer, and let's not forget characters' AI personalities with unique stories and quirks. Each character brings a distinctive flavor to your conversations. Benefits for businesses. Enhancing customer service. Businesses, pay attention. Meta's AI can now be tailored to your needs, offering a lifeline for customer service. Alpha testing is on the horizon, promising enhanced customer interactions. With customized AI, businesses can better serve their customers, offering solutions tailored to their needs and queries. The full rollout is scheduled for 2024, revolutionizing customer service. AI Sandbox. The future of experimentation. Soon, everyone can experiment with creating their AI, bringing us closer to a world where innovation knows no bounds. Imagine shaping the future of AI without needing coding skills. It's a playground for innovation and experimentation. In conclusion, Meta has once again raised the bar with Quest 3, Meta AI, Ray-Ban AI Smart Glasses, Emu, AI Studio, and more. These innovations promise to reshape our tech experiences and set new benchmarks for what's possible. That's a wrap for today's Meta Connect event recap. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Stay tuned for more tech adventures right here on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.